Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will solve a question of A-level mathematics S1. Let me do correction here. It is actually S1. And the topic is coded data. In the previous videos, I have already explained you the reason, explanation of simple questions. So this video has two extension questions. One I'll explain and one I will give you to solve yourself, and I will show you the solution of it. So let's see this question. The monthly rental price of 9 apartments is representing by X, right? And the data is summarized in the coded form, which you can see here and you can see here. So you have to find out the value of constant C, and mean monthly rent is given to you 2,205. So let's see part 1 first of all. So what is given to you in the question, I have jotted down here again. This is the information given to you, and you have to find out the value of constant C. So what is the mean of X minus C? As I have explained to you earlier how to write it down. So it is equals to 205, right? Now it is 205, and I have explained you in the earlier video that how to get the mean of X if the mean of X minus C is given. You can see here also, because C is the value which you are subtracting from each data. So if you have mean of X minus C 205, then to get the mean of X, you have to do what? Simply add the value in it. Which value? The mean of X, right? So this is the formula it will be, and when you will solve it, you will get C is equals to 2,205 minus 2,005. So this is the answer. And the explanation of this I have already given in the previous videos also. You can see the link in the description below. I hope it is clear as well also why we are adding it up here. Simply because we have subtracted from each data, so we will add up to get the new data. Okay, now you have to find the variance of these values of X. Now we know standard deviation, if you square, you get variance. And what is the information given to you? These two pieces of information are given to you. So with the help of this, I will try to find out the value of X here. Variance of X. So the formula I'm writing here for the coded data, sigma X minus C whole square divided by 9 minus mean of X minus C. And I will substitute the values in it and calculate it. So you will get the variance of value of X. But the question here is, I have to find the value of variance of X, and I am finding out the variance of X minus C. So as I explained to you, that standard deviation does not change for X or for coded data. So that's why it will remain same, right? So that's why we are using it. So it will give you the value of the variance for X. Now another apartment is added to the list. In the earlier one, there were 9 apartments, right? And the mean monthly rent for now 10 apartments, because another one is added in it, is 2,120.5. You have to find the rental price of the added apartment. So what is given to you here? Because the mean of 9 apartments is 2,205 and mean of 10 apartment is this. So I can easily find out the sum of the rental of 9 apartments and sum of the rental of 10 apartments. What will I do? I will simply multiply 2,205 by 9 to get the sum of 9 apartments, rental of the 9 apartments, and I'll multiply this by 10 to get the rental of the sum of the rental of 10 apartments. So this is what I will do here. So to find out the rental of the last apartment which is added, what will I do? Simple subtraction. Absolutely right. I hope it is clear to you. If any point needs explanation, further explanation, you can write it in the comment. Now I'm giving you a question to try it yourself. So you can put the video on pause and see you understood it or not. I'm sure you understood it. I will show you the solution so that you can check you're working along. So put the video on pause and I'll show it to you. So first of all, about the mean, how you will calculate mean. Do you remember here the other method which I told you? You can also do here, which I have not done because I have done it multiple times, but let me see here. You can also find out straight away the mean of coded data and divide it by n. Whatever the answer will come, add 35 in it. So let's do that way also. N is what? 12. So let's pick up the calculator. And definitely answer had to come same, right? In the previous video I have told you both methods. So this is the way. Either you have done it by this method or by this method, both are fine. And then you have to calculate the standard deviation. I'm sure you have done it, so let's check your working. Absolutely right, you got the right answer. So I hope you understood. So in the next video I will solve one more question for further practice. So thank you very much for watching it. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your